Hi all, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to deal with Chapter 3 Database Management System, and today's topic is Attributes. What is an attribute? An attribute gives the information about an entity. In the last class we have seen about different types of entities. So an attribute is used for getting the information about an entity. Not only getting the information, it describes an entity, it quantify an entity, qualify an entity, classify an entity, and specify an entity. So it's just not giving the information alone, it is describing, it says how much quantity it is, how qualifying it is, how to classify it, and what specific entity it is. And when we see about the attribute, the value of an attribute will be a single value. Always it will be a single value. Single value can be either a number or character or string. Let us see the different types of attributes. First one, key attribute. Second one, simple attributes. Third one, composite attributes. Fourth one, single valued attribute. And fifth one, multi-valued attributes. So these are the 5 types of attributes in the database management system. Let us see about each one of these attributes. First, let us see about the key attribute. A key attribute is used to describe a unique character of an entity. The special character of an entity is described by the key attribute. Next one, what we are going to see is single valued attribute. From the name itself, we can understand that an attribute which contains only a single value or one value for the attribute. It will not have many number of values for it. For example, age of a person. So when we say the age of a person, we cannot say the age as 3, 5, 7, 12 like that. A person will be having a single age. So such attributes which owns a single value are known as single valued attributes. Next one is the simple attributes. The simple attribute cannot be separated. It will be having a single value for their entity. So simple attributes are those attributes which cannot be separated from the entities. So for example, name of a person. When we are talking about a particular person, without saying the name of the person or mentioning the name of the person, we cannot specify his characteristics. So it is a attribute which cannot be avoided, which cannot be separated. Such attributes are known as simple attributes. Next one is composite attributes. The composite attribute can be subdivided into simple attributes without changing the meaning of the attribute. So, composite attribute is a subdivision of simple attribute, combination of simple attributes. But we can divide it into different units without changing the meaning of that attribute. So for example, a person may have two names. Two name means first name and last name. Anil Kumar, for example. So Anil is the first name and Kumar is the second name. We can separate it, but we are not going to avoid the meaning of that attribute. Okay. Next one, multi-valued attributes. So from the name of the attribute itself, we can identify that an attribute which has more than one value for that particular attribute. Such attributes are known as multi-valued attributes. For example, qualification of a person. So when we write the qualification of a person, there may be one single qualified, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the degrees may vary according to the person. So this attribute will take more than one value at a time. So sometimes a person might have studied only 10th standard, or sometimes 12th standard, or sometimes UG, PG, or higher studies. So the qualification of a person, that attribute can be known as multi-valued attributes. Okay, I hope that you have understood about the different types of attributes. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe.